So hello everyone. Today we are going to study how to download JDK for our YouTube channel for run Java code. Okay. In previous lecture we will discuss about JDK, JVM, JRE. Okay. So we all know if you want to run any if you want to run any Java code, so you only need JRE, okay, Java Runtime Environment. And if you want to write, run, then we need JDK, okay. So I'll make a PPT for you. First I'll go to PPT. Okay, so what we need to run a Java program, JVM, Java Virtual Machine. JVM is a part of JRE, all we discuss in yesterday. Okay, so today we will discuss about how to download JDK. So JDK already contains JRE, and JRE already contains JVM. And so to only run program JRE we need, and write, compile, run we need JDK. So today we go to download JDK. Okay, so I'll go to download JDK. Download JDK. So what you need? Today the net is very slow, I don't know why, but I'll try to. So why it's not okay? Here it is. So down. Okay, that Java SE Development Kit 17.0.11. So what we need, if you have Linux, then you download this compressed archive, or as when you have Mac, so you download this. And I have Windows, so I'll download Windows x64 installer. Okay, so this is the link I'll put in the description box, so you can easily download. Okay, so it's started. Yeah, it's started download. Okay, it's take time, so yeah, I'll download previously, so I don't need it to download. Okay, I'll show you software or JDK. So this is the exe file. Yes. Okay, it's take little bit time, so yeah, the software has already been installed on your computer. Later I have installed, so I don't need, so I'll close the. Okay, right now I have, so I open Visual Studio. You know Visual Studio. What is the Visual Studio? Visual Studio Code is a editor. So anyone, so I'll open for, I make a new file. Okay, where first I'll open this new, oh sorry, close the close window. New window. Okay, so this is the editor. If you have any problem to download the JDK, so later I will help you. You can comment me, you can tell me in comment box. So right now I open a folder which I made for this learning process. Okay, I'll make YouTube lecture, Java lecture. Okay, so I'll put here, and now I'll make a file, new file. I'll put, first you need, when you name a file, so it's a industrial choice, you put in capital letter. Okay, camel case, it means first letter is capital, then a small letter. Okay, so what we need, I name grid dot extension is Java. Okay, it is .java file. I tell you that in previous lecture .java file is now compile. Okay, so I need compiler. So first I'll write program. Okay, first I'll write public. Public static void, and now I'll put out println. This is the syntax, hello world syntax. Okay, now I'll explain. this is the public. Public is a access specifier. Means if you declare public, it means you can call anywhere. Okay, class, because uh, we will discuss about later, but in Java we all thing we are made in class, because when we call main, it will only know about class. Okay, so class grid is the class name. Okay, and the file name and the class name is always same. Okay, second, this is the main method. Everything will run from this main. Okay, it's always public, because if it's not public, it will not able to run. Static, I will tell you later, but little bit I will discuss it. Static means it will only one time it take a space. Means second one is you don't need, when any method or class or variable will will occur static, then they don't need to call with object. Okay, means don't need to make object, we call with the name. Means if you want to call this main method, you don't want to write grid object. Later on we will learn. First you see the center. String is the object, and it takes argument type array. Okay, and this is the print message. System.out.println. System is the class, out is the function, means the package, and println is the function which is hello world. Okay, right now I'll run this code. Okay, so I'll open the terminal, also run by this run Java, but I'll show you how to run. So first Java C space file name grid.java. It will compile, and now it will convert to bytecode. Okay, .c. Now only write Java grid. Let's print message hello world. So you learn the syntax. It is the syntax of how to write hello world from the Java. Okay, so I'll explain little bit about this, but tomorrow I will tell you about data type. Okay, so after you learn how we uh, uh, tomorrow I will not able to take lecture. Tomorrow is Sunday, so from Monday we will take lecture. Okay, uh, okay, then if you have any doubt or any problem regarding download or installation or this syntax, okay, you are free to you feel free to ask me. Okay, in comment box. So for today, thank you.